BODMAS. Let's learn BODMAS. First, learn the full form. B stands for brackets, O stands for off, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, and last, S stands for subtraction. So there are 3 steps in learning BODMAS. Step 1. We need to solve brackets in the question first. Step 2. We need to solve division followed by multiplication. Step 3. We need to solve addition followed by subtraction. Let's solve few questions. 42 plus 8 within the brackets divided by 2. We need to solve 42 plus 8 which is in the bracket. As we know, 42 plus 8 is 50 divided by 2. You can write this or either without brackets as well. So which gives us 25. 50 divided 2 is 25. Let's solve next question. 24 take away 12 within the brackets divided by 4. 24 take away 12. We need to solve this one first, which is equals to 12 divided by 4. You can write this in another way as well, which is 12 divided by 4, which is 4 ones are 4. 4 times 3 is 12. So 3 will be the answer. Let's solve one more question. 11 take away 2 plus 9. Put 2 plus 9 in the brackets. 2 plus 9 is 11. So which gives 11 take away 11 is equals to 0. That's a simple one. Let's move to next one. 7 plus 4 in the bracket times 5. 7 plus 4. We need to solve this one first. Because in brackets, which is 11 times 5 is equals to 55. Now the last one. 30 take away 15 plus 9. So there is no sign in front of 30. So means there is a positive sign. If there is no sign, we need to consider as positive. 30 and 9 both positive, which is 39 take away 15, which is equals to 24.